Let's talk about chicken. So I want to show you several different ways to make the very most of every chicken that you buy. So first, let's do something simple, which is roasting. So here's my really delicious, simply roasted chicken. It's been in the roasting oven for about an hour. So in a hot oven, about 200 degrees, a little chicken will roast in about an hour. If the oven is cooler, you want to cook it a bit slower, you can cook it for longer. It's going to be brilliant for a selection of dishes, so let's just start with a few ideas. First of all, simply just serve it as a Sunday roast with roast potatoes and vegetables. Secondly, let it cool down. Now with looking after cooked chicken, keep it hot while you want to cook it, while you want to eat it, and then chill it quickly when you're not using it, and it will last in your fridge for several days. You can also use roast chicken for lots of different dishes. So separate the chicken into the chicken breast meat, into the legs, into the thighs, and then these different portions can be chilled in the fridge. Make sure they get nice and cold before you fridge them, or they can be frozen. So take them into separate bits and then freeze the separate bits individually. So here are three ideas of how to use the meat from your chicken. So you can take all the meat off, so just strip it off with your fingers, just shred it. It doesn't need to be an exact science, just take all the meat off, keep the bones to one side. We've got some really good ideas of what to do with those. And then take the meat, separate it into the breast meat and the thigh meat and the brown meat, and it's all really nutritious. So why not use some of it to make a curry? Take a curry base, an Indian type curry or a Thai curry, add in a little bit of your shredded chicken, be it the breast meat or be it the thigh meat or the leg meat, all will be delicious. You can add it to a risotto. Why not make a risotto, add some butternut squash or some sweet potatoes, some extra vegetables, plenty of Parmesan cheese to make it taste delicious, and then add a little bit of the shredded chicken. Again, lovely, lovely way to make a little bit of chicken go quite a long way and add a really amazing amount of flavour. And then finally, why not add it to a pasta bake? Even if it's something like some gnocchi or some pasta you might not used to be making, add some little sun-dried tomatoes and some chicken and just roast that, bake that all together, and that would be lovely as well. So think about using your chickens, take off the meat and shred that, and that's a really good way of making a little bit of chicken go quite a long way.